pull this LED off. I got that one side off. Now, let's see if I could get the other side off here. Put my helping hands there. Just gonna put about 500 degrees on this contacts. There it is. Got this little LED off. In case anybody was wondering, on these LED strips that you buy at the automotive stores, they got this silicone type crap on these strips. You can actually peel it back, and might need to do a little bit of work, but yeah, peel this stuff back like this. See that? Now you can get these LEDs off, which are very hard to find. It's really hard to find these LEDs anywhere locally if you ever need them. So I'll put something kind of heavy on both sides here. I'll put this little light bulb pack. Take this one off. Alright, there's that side. Still got one pad that's stuck, so no big deal. There she goes. There it is. I got my soldering irons set at 510 degrees. Seems to be working pretty good.